there, how's it going everybody? So in this tutorial we're going to be learning how to use the Survey123 Connect app in order for us to create our surveys. So when you're creating a survey, you basically need to collect data within a certain area. So in this case I'm going to be using a living conditions survey, which is mainly health based, in order for us to complete this tutorial. So as you can see, like on my screen right now, I have like some columns which have which are grouped. Then I have this default field which is date and time. So as you can see, this date and time field already has like the current date and the time, like on the day on which I made this video. And then right here we see that we have various groups. We have a personal details and information group, we have residential details group, and we have health information group. We also have a confirmation agreements group. So as you can see, inside residential details we have where we have a location section. Unfortunately I don't have my data connection is not turned on currently, so but we're supposed to see a map, so I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be visualizing the map in a future tutorial, where you can just place a map marker for you to know the location where the survey was conducted. And also under health information we have conditional fields like this. For example, this drinking water source, if a user is to select other, then we see that this field comes up, but if I select a protected well, then that field doesn't show up. And we also have field types like photo, where we can take images for our survey, and then all that gets stored in the database. And then in the last group we have a confirmation and agreements field, which requires the user to agree to a terms of service and be able to place their signature within this box, and then they can submit their survey together with all their confirmation. So we're going to be learning how to do this in the future tutorial, so this is just going to be an introduction. So in order for you guys to have the Survey123 Connect app, you need to navigate over to your browser. You just expand this tab, navigate over to your browser, as you can see here. So you just run a Google search, you just type Survey123 Connect download, and then you click on the first link that shows up on your Google search, and then it's going to open this ESRI web page, which has the ArcGIS Survey123 resources product. And then you just scroll to the bottom of the page where you find download links. So we're going to be using the Desktop Connect app. So the Desktop Connect app allows you to create this survey. So I'm going to be using a Windows operating system, so basically you're going to be downloading this Windows 64-bit. But if you're using Linux or using Mac OS, you also have download options. So I'm not going to talk about the field app for now, because this tutorial is mainly concentrated on the desktop app to create the survey. But the field app is the one that is used now by the field workers to collect data, and also the website. They can also use a URL to access like the form that you have created. So once you've downloaded that, then your app is installed. You just need to run it and open it. And here the Survey123 app is mainly based on XLS forms, which are generated from Excel. So I'm just going to click on XLS, and it's going to open up an Excel spreadsheet which contains the configurations of this survey. So let me just give that some time for it to open. It should be opening in the background. So yeah, this is basically like the Survey123 app. So I'm sure you're seeing a lot of surveys being conducted, and then automatically they get mapped out using ArcGIS software. So this is where it all begins. So let me just wait until it opens. So yeah, this is the Excel spreadsheet that I created in order for me to come up with this survey. And as you can see, there's a lot of configurations here going on here, and this is what we're going to be basically dwelling much on. So don't worry about much of the fields which are here. We're going to be explaining each of these in the future tutorial. So I hope you guys do like, share, and subscribe to this channel in order for us to keep making more videos. See you guys in the next tutorial.